This is an SAT, ACT math problem involving geometry, and we're asking for the difference in the circumference of two circles. The radius of the larger circle is going to be 5 units longer than the radius of the smaller circle. And we want to find the difference in the circumferences of these two circles. So it would be helpful to have a picture of this, and we've got a couple of circles there. The radius of the larger circle is 5 more than the radius of the smaller one. The circumference for any circle is 2 times pi times the radius, 2 pi r. And in this case, if r is the radius for the smaller circle, then r is the radius for the smaller circle, then we know that the radius for the larger circle would be r plus 5. And so the radius for the larger circle would be over here. We'll call that capital R. And so we want to find this difference in the circumferences. The circumference for the larger circle would be 2 pi big R. Come on in. Hi. Let's go ahead and have a seat. Thank you. So the circumference for the larger circle is 2 pi r minus the circumference for the smaller circle, which would be 2 pi and small r. And so that would produce a difference in the circumferences. We could call that change in c, or delta c. And we know that big R is r plus 5. So we're going to have 2 pi times r plus 5 minus 2 pi r. And so at this point, we're looking at combining and simplifying terms. We might use the distributive property and multiply this out here. Use the distributive. So we'll multiply 2 pi times r. So you're going to have 2 pi r plus 5 times 2 pi. What is that? 10 pi minus the 2 pi r for the smaller circle. And you notice here that this 2 pi r will cancel with that 2 pi r. And so we're left with the difference in circumference is going to be 10 pi. And that was your answer for this problem.